Hello everyone, welcome back to my LeetCode journey. Today we are solving LeetCode problem 242 valid anagram. This problem teaches us how to compare character frequencies efficiently using hashing. So let's get started. What the question says is given two strings s and t, return true if t is an anagram of s and false otherwise. First of all, what is anagram? Anagram is basically simply the unscrambled letters like anagram, and the second one is nagaram. In this, every letter appears exact number of times in this. In S string, every letter appears same number of time. In T string, then it is true. Else it is false, like here rat and car. Here C only A is okay there, and R and T R is also there. But T and C and T does not fit, so it gets false. This is anagram. So how would we solving this? Main idea will be what makes two strings anagram is we know we can directly jump into the code, and here first of all, if s dot length is not equal to t dot length, then return false. Why we're doing this first is if simply the length is not same, which means there are some letters which are not used in same, so it simply gets not anagram. And how we are going to do this using unordered map? We are going to use hash map over here of character and integer, and we will name it as frequency. Then a for loop traversing over char ch through all the s, and frequency of ch plus plus. Why, what we're doing here is we are storing all the characters of s in the under frequency through this loop. And now another loop for char ch iterating through all the t. And what we will be doing here is frequency of ch minus minus. Let me just do this and I will explain it further. And another for loop. We will use auto. Auto we generally use them when we don't know what will be the resultant frequency. If it dot second is not equal to 0, then return false, else return true. There is no else, but simply when it all processes, then it is automatically true. What we're doing here is we first went through the character of S, and then we basically under this frequency we initialized all the characters of S. Then under this frequency we minused all the characters of T. And what it does is all the characters which were did one, which got one, got here minus, which became 0. And if in any of the case, return spelling is wrong, return, in any of the case the character is not 0, which means it did not got matched over here, then it automatically gets false. So okay, it got accepted and submit. What we are doing here is first simply if the lengths differ, there can be no anagram. We count frequencies. If frequency is not 0, the strings are not anagram. Otherwise, true. Time complexity is O of n, space complexity is O of 1. Since at most 26 letters, English letters are stored. Okay, this was the LeetCode problem 242 valid anagram. The key frequency counting using a hash match. Okay, that's it. It was. Thank you.